You know, we don't like to, you know, encourage stuff. Because video have me somebody, people are commenting like, Shatta, because of this your toy gun, people are say, they be Kumasifo dada. You can't show any American anything. They are very and coming Nicola and then Minuko.
Oh my god.
On copy. Yana hand. And young one wafa. Maza, I don't know to see copy.
Messina, so a cow bit to me, Drama.
Casabana make us at Tantasano. Some is me will come to me to Marcosana, baby, a woman I am son. Who says so? We could watch. Ah, I couldn't shoot me.
Emano.
Where a hilo a hilly video.
We only Nyansa Kosho Nyansa. Emma, you know, women are the solution to men's problem.
Yes.
But men don't know. You know, because about me, you know what women should know.
My boss, video and I say, Sir, toy gun, yeah, I wanted to send me a Kumasifo.
We can always say, me buy, me say, or should I person me go please, na me go to me there.
Go to there now.
Because me gang get go krubo. Oh, baby, you know, sometimes I know American. See, this is happening in America.
Okay.
And they are using water pistols.
Yeah.
Sometimes the world changes, and we human beings need to just understand.
Of course.
The only thing we need to advise the youth is that nobody should do a mistake. Now I can find abie, real guys now in Namco. What am I saying? But it is beautiful. It's a culture.
Yeah.
We don't know where as on to buy. You know, in Kofu, I can never be brave. And I'm say, okay, someone pay with their mom family. Match them with the Afrobeat. It's actually Afrobeat artists.
Yeah.
We always want to condemn things in Ghana, but we just have to just say at the end of bar, we have to find measures like a bit to me in place here, a bit to me a CV that occasion. If it's Christmas every time, imagine say, maybe a mama funny baba for be a partner, be a kita toy guns, maybe okay, mumu use the back no woman, but we use water pistol. It will be beautiful. Like it will be a culture for us. God loves Ghana, but Ghanaians don't love Ghana. That is the problem because Kumasi. Like people do stuff in Kumasi. What they call crazy? Oh yeah, Kumasi, we be yawa, banku. We know only expectation wakano. You know, we don't like to, you know, encourage stuff because video have me somebody people are commenting like Shatta because of this your toy gun. People are say they be Kumasi abie dada. You can't show any American anything. They are very and coming Nicola and then Minuko.
Oh my god.
You know.
So let me ask you this. I know, sir, you over 20 years now, you're a Jumaya, and you're very vibrant on stage. Wait me about 2 straight hours. Nana boy see, yaro for oh you know 5 minutes or something what is your secret? How do you get the energy?
Well, I think it's my health. You know, I may check up every 3 months.
Wow.
You know, and sometimes when I'm overstressed, you know, I go to the hospital. Okay. Recently, I start say, "Juman, you go hospital, and they say, baby, check up, and there's a many doctor not planning, but doctor don't catch us so obey HIV this and and some say, but they will say, one don't continue there, or HIV didn't me woo. And to say doctor now or bomb by say, if you have a back, normal. It's a result of buying us. I don't need Charlie, I respect you, I don't need. Like, the only thing I can say I do that I don't even do it much is not first no me she but going up making money like to me she one rule. It's she's a billionaire. Them there too. But they were my dream no.
Yes.
I'm thinking so much about great things. So you know I can't even smoke like weed like the way I used to, and I don't drink too. Okay. Like me no me say like if I'm going no me say if I'm met me abroad eteki Hennessy one shot no but to smoke like ibia me tell me shim 1 roll 2 rolls First, then I'm here, but me is not me. And then that time
stress.
A waste of time.
Yes.
What must I say? So all those things I've been doing them. So for me to be on stage, I've never gone on stage, smoked weed before.
Wow.
Men call stage, I'm a fight. But men can focus say, Shatta Wale or fuck cocaine or fuck. Sometimes to me say, hey. Jesus. Yeah, because my energy I'm on stage. If I take those things, I will black out. You know, so the only thing I do when I'm going on stage is pray and drink water. And so I'm sure young boys say, I'm more but they're so performing on Abraham. You see, okay, maybe also the system, no, because I don't want to think negative about it. Because everybody in their system. So you know, my system is too energetic. Remember to me, those days I mean a trace from people. Girls, some me applause.
You too.
Energy, no. Wow. It's a natural energy that I have. You know, it's like people, I can go on stage, people won't come and say, "Hey,
okay." Into threesome, no, it's a vibe, yeah. We now here to continue. So once a while, we now they stream back.
Oh, once in a while.
Okay. I was a decorative bed show.
Sometimes
go for your flowers.
This one, no. Obi obo worry.
Oh, city and village.
Oh, village.
Let me do it.